We're at now at the night market food stalls here in Georgetown in Penang, Malaysia. So we just had our dinner, no, in those food stalls. Sarap, super, no, super. I'm right now in this street, no, street of Georgetown. I don't know what's the name of this street. Actually, sa food nila dito. These are, we drove for more than 200 kilometers ata from Ipoh. So this is the tallest building here that we can see in this street. I don't know what building is this. My companions are here in the street food. Durian pala to, no? Durian corner. Anong plano? Kakain ba? Talaga? Grabe. So they're planning to eat durian here. Yeah. We're just walking here. Feel the world. So they have here, I think this is mangosteen, then durian. Different different type of durian, no?
Different varieties.
Meron pa ng red
Grabe.
durian, no?
Saan tayo? Anong atin? Red durian.
Saan yung puyat dito? Ha?
Kuya, yung ano, yung
Kasing sikat kasi.
Musang King.
Musan, yan, Musan King. Oo nga, no? Oo, kasi yan, no? Favorite na. Nakakain talaga tayo dito. Durian, best exotic
It's the best experience. Picture mo kami na eh. Ito yung...
Kami. Ano ba yung China phone?
China phone. China phone mo.
This one, ano to? This is Musan King?
Orlo.
Oh, so this is not puyat.
Ito rin China phone eh.
Okay, sige. Ayan, so we're eating this